one of the most difficult part when you do the calculation is that SCF doesn't converge, right? Or takes a lot of time. Let's say if that happens, what would you do? Let's say not just the geometry optimizations, SCF doesn't converge, which is really a typical problem. And especially this is even more difficult for the ROHF. So what I would suggest for that is that do first Hartree-Fock calculation, because SCF is at RHF, right? But do this in the Hartree-Fock, meaning that you eliminate the functional equal BHHLIP. You eliminate this, and then you say energy, right? And the method is Hartree-Fock, right? Then this is how you do RHF. Then it's Hartree-Fock is way much easier to make it converge. Then you save it to here again mole, save a mole, and read the initial guess from there. So you will read the Hartree-Fock optimized orbitals, RHF orbitals for DFT. Okay, that's one of the things that I suggest. So let me go back to here keyword section that where you can find that information. Here, let's say info file. Okay, info file. Okay, guess is really this is the difficult part here. You see that here type equal is a default. H core really bad, don't use. Maybe you can also use a Molden file. Molden also save the orbitals. You can use Molden, but I suggest you to use a JSON file. So type equal to JSON. But once you say type equal to JSON, you have to specify the JSON file name here using file, which I already did it, right? So okay, let me go back to this is what this file is. Here I already set type equal to JSON, and we specify the orbitals. And it did not say it, but it actually read the orbitals in that file and use it for this run. So then I suggest you to do first Hartree-Fock calculations and read that file for if you have difficulties in the SCF. Another thing that you would try for the difficult SCF is that usually your initial geometry is not good. So I will suggest you to optimize geometry with the Hartree-Fock with small basis set, and then you can quickly have a much improved geometry and read the geometry and start new orbitals, because the different basis set has now different orbitals, so you cannot read the different basis set. So then you can start from, but you can try the larger basis with Hartree-Fock again with the improved geometry. So you can try a couple of these things.